Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. This is me coming back from the place I went to buy something to make dinner for my family. I went to hospital first because I was not feeling fine. Then I got back to make dinner for my family, and this me show you guys what I got from the market. I bought pasta, Amawanda from African store. This is my cooking oil. Then the other things that we're using to make this pasta, the vegetables, the onions, and So I started to use voiceover to explain some things here because the kind of noise in my house while making this video, oh my god, it's too much. It's too much. Like, that's why I started to use voiceover at some point. Then at some point you still hear my voice. Yeah, so how you guys doing? Hope you're good, hope you're okay. Happy weekend. Today is Saturday. This is Saturday evening, and this is me making dinner for my family. We decided to make spaghetti, happy pasta, whichever one you want to call it, it's okay. Yeah, so this milk and banana that I'm showing you guys, I'll be using it tomorrow, being Sunday, for banana bread, banana cake. Yeah, so right now I'm about to start making my pasta. I pour in the water that I will use. Then I have to boil the water. After boiling the water, I will put in the pasta and everything will align together. Oh my god, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please, what are you waiting for? What did I do wrong? Or are you not enjoying my video? If you have anything that you want me to do, tell me, I will do it. I want to make pasta for dinner. This is the pasta that I'll be using. Carrots, green pepper, spring onions, my onion, tomato. I'll be adding this Amawanda Jollof spice, and this is my cooking oil. So let's cook. All right, back to discussion. At this point, my water has already boiled, so I added small vegetable oil so that the pasta will not stick together. Yeah, so I pour in my pasta. And this is me pouring in my pasta. After pouring my pasta, I have to use my spoon to dip the ones that are still up. After dipping them inside the water, I cover the pot and allow it to boil. Guys, I'm done cutting what I've been needing for this pasta. This is my carrot, green pepper, tomatoes, onions and spring onions. I'm using this chicken cube, pepper, salt. That's all I'll be needing for this pasta. So let's cook. So I put my pot on fire and allow the water to dry. Then I pour in the oil. After pouring the oil, I go in with my onions and my spring onions. They're all together in one plate. After that, I have to stir and stir so that the onion will be sauteed in the oil. After stirring it, I added my chicken cube, which is the one I show you guys. After stirring it for about a minute, I put in my tomatoes, my fresh tomatoes. Then I will allow it to dry a little bit, like in form of stir frying. Yeah, after that, at this point, my tomato is already drying, almost drying. Then I pour in my pasta. Yes, the food is already done. If you are here, you can perceive the aroma. My food is almost done. Then I have to stir it so that everything will marinate together. And the last part is me adding the veggies, which is the carrots and my green pepper. Then I have to stir it again. Oh my god, everything is coming together right now. Bring your plates, the food is ready. Hi everyone, good evening from my side and wherever you're watching from. So welcome back again. As usual, I'm in my kitchen, but I am not feeling fine. Like, I'm still so down. But I'm making dinner for my family. As you can see on the last clip, we are making pasta. We are almost done. I'll show you guys the final outlook. So thank you for tuning in. If it's your first time, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, leave a comment and share if you can, and I'll see you on my next clip. Bye. So guys, our pasta is ready. I mean spaghetti. Our spaghetti is ready. Yeah, this is it. So delicious, so yummy, so appetizing. Bring your plates. So the last clip you watched is me making dinner for my family, but after this I'm no longer hungry. I lost appetite. I'm sick, I'm so down. I went to the hospital, my BP is high. But what can I do? They say I need rest. They say I need rest, so I have to go and lie down, but I have to eat and take my medicine. But this pasta that I made now, I've lost appetite for it. I was craving it before making it, but now I no longer want to eat it. So guys, this is the end of this video. If you have watched up to this point, thank you. God bless you and bless you and bless you more and more. So see you on my next one. Bye bye for now.